Hi everyone! Today, I'll show you how to remove unwanted objects from your videos using CapCut on your PC. Let's use this sunset as an example. Start by duplicating your video clip. Right-click the original clip and select Copy, then paste it onto the timeline above the original. Select the duplicated clip and go to the Video Mask tool. Choose a shape and adjust its size and position to cover the object you want to remove, in this case, the sunset. Add feathering to blend the edges naturally. Next, move the mask to a section of the video where the sunset isn't present but the background is similar. Use the video basic settings to reposition the mask clip so the mask area aligns perfectly over the sunset. Play the video to ensure the object stays hidden. If needed, return to the mask settings to refine the feathering or adjust the mask position for a seamless look. And that's it! If this helped, leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more editing tips. Happy creating!